I applied in ADEX 2017, so it took me 5 years. It took me 5 years to be here, but just be patient. They did a great job, and look at me now. I got our house. You're allowed to pick up. You're not tied with them. You're allowed to get extra shifts, so it will shorten your time. As a new immigrant, it will be hard without any support, but ADEX and your manager is really supportive. It will be easier. They will sponsor your visa and you will be able to get your family. Plus, you can also go home. We have PTOs here. You can apply it and you can go vacation in the Philippines if you miss your family. But the ADEX, they are on the process. Every requirements, they will check on it, what you're lacking. Don't worry with that. They will try to guide you with along the process. Like in just 2.5 years, I attained all my dreams. I really cannot believe it's really like fast process. We've been able to buy a house. We have 2 cars already. And my family is here already. I don't know. I will say that we got it already. So get your American dream, guys. Thank you so much that we are here really for this American dream.